Let's talk about the ease of maintenance. Once you've received your items from Diesel Dash, once again, reference your operator's manual for maintenance instructions. Some information found in the operator's manual under your maintenance section is where and how to service the fuel system, the oil system, and the cooling system on your piece of equipment. When referencing your operator's manual for your maintenance intervals, a good thing to remember is the frequency in which those items should be maintained. Some things that can change the frequency are hours and miles, and how the equipment is used in the type of an environment, as long as the age of equipment. Always remember the best source to find any information, including maintenance, for your piece of equipment is the operator's manual that came with your specific piece of equipment. If you don't feel comfortable performing routine maintenance yourself, you can always visit a Stewart Stevenson or United Engine branch location for your needs.